Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe you deserve to win. Okay? Literally, I believe you deserve to win. I believe that you deserve everything that good in life and everything, in life more abundant, okay? Whether that's peace, whether that's time, whether that's joy, whatever the case might be. So it wasn't until I started understanding, that we deserve to win that I started, seeing more success in my life. It was once I started saying, wow, if this person's making it, it's because he cares about his people. This person actually, he's not very talented. He doesn't really know that much, but he believes that he deserves to be making X amount of dollars per month. He deserves to have X amount of clients per month. And for some reason, his business is constantly growing. He believes that he deserves to get 20 new clients per month. And it causes him to do the actions that allow him to actually do so. And then every single month, he's just growing. It's the same thing with us. It's the same thing with our business. Once you understand, and once we understand that, we deserve to win, we start taking actions to allow us to actually accomplish our goals. Okay? Very important. Now, if you want to start learning step by step the fastest way to start reaching your goals, I recommend you go join our free community called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's a link in the description below. All it is step-by-step information, and like-minded people are constantly talking about what we're doing to grow and some ways for you to be able to get where you want to go faster. If that's what you're searching for, go check out the link in the description below. Have a great day. See you later.